Hello guys, this is lecture number 8. In this video lecture we are going to talking about math related library functions, which is basically we have to use in different types of math problems. So now we are going to our PyCharm for our programming practice. Here we already know that print is a library function, and we have already used this function before, and the input function, which is already another library function. In the previous video lecture we show that how can we use these functions in our code. Now I am going to write some math related library functions. So first of all, I just cut it out. Now I am just cut it out from here. Now I just try to type some math related functions here. First one is max, second one is minimum, third one is absolute function, fourth one is power. Last one is square root. So here something error, because to use these math functions we have to import math library. Now I am going to import the math library in the upper section. Here I just import all the math library functions by using star. If you use star, it will import all the math functions here. So now I can input like this, or you can store this value into variables, then call it here. So for minimum I already used 20 and 10. For absolute I just import -10. For power 2, 3. Here 2, 3 means 2 to the power 3. So that means 2 to the power 3 means 8. Something like this, 2 to the power 3. In a square root I just type -5. I have already done my process. Here in max function, which prints the max value between of this value 20 and 10. In minimum, this will print the minimum value. In absolute, this function prints the absolute value, that means 10. In power function, this will print 2 to the power 3, which will, like 2 to the power 3 means 8, it will print 8. In a square root, it will print the value of a square root of 5. So now I am going to run. Let's check the output. Here you can see there is nothing to show because we didn't use print function here. We have to use print. So now put it inside into the print. For minimum, we just type print again and put it here. Same thing happen here, print, then put it here. are giving some error because of in line number 7 we forget to close the bracket. So that's fine. Now we are going to run our code. Now run, select the program name. Now you can see our output is shown here. Here you can see max value is 20, in minimum value 10, and absolute value is 10 because minus 10 absolute value is 10. In power function which will return 8 here, and the last one square root of 5. Here the output of this value is 2.2360. So in this way you can use different types of math function which you need to use in any kinds of Python program. So that's for all today. Thank you.